When you take your car to an auto body shop after an accident, you might wonder if they'll report the damage to your insurance company. The short answer is no, they typically don't. Let me walk you through how it usually works. When you've had the unfortunate experience of an accident or some kind of damage to your vehicle, the first thing you usually do is report it to your insurance company. They'll ask you for the details and might even suggest a few body shops they trust to give you an honest estimate. But here's the thing, that initial step of reaching out to your insurer is all on you. Once you get to the body shop, they'll assess the damage and provide an estimate for the repairs. If your insurance is covering the cost, the shop will then communicate directly with the insurer. This part is straightforward. It's just about getting the necessary approvals so that your car can get back on the road. The body shop might share details of the damage and repair costs with the insurance company, but only because it's part of the process you've initiated. They're not going to make any calls on their own. But what if you decide to handle the repairs out of pocket without telling your insurance company? In that case, the body shop won't report anything. The entire transaction stays between you and the shop, keeping your insurer completely out of the loop. So in short, auto body shops aren't in the business of snitching to your insurance company. That's up to you when you decide to file a claim.